Turkey, that undisputed favorite, graces our holiday tables and gives us a reason to nap on the couch. Hold on. Before you write it off as just a once-a-year treat, let's clear up a common misconception about turkey. You know, the one that says turkey makes you sleepy because of tryptophan? It's time we bust that myth. Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD. Yes, turkey contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin, a feel-good chemical that stabilizes mood. But it isn't unique to turkey. You'll also find it in chicken, cheese, and other protein-packed foods. But does anybody blame the grilled cheese sandwich for their post-meal slump? The real culprit behind the food coma is the mountains of mashed potatoes, stuffing, and pie eaten alongside the turkey. Overeating, especially carb-heavy foods, redirects blood flow to your digestive system, making you feel sluggish. To avoid snoozing after meals, pace yourself and keep portions balanced. Let me tell you why turkey deserves a regular spot in your diet. Turkey is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with high-quality protein that's vital for muscle repair and growth. This bird is also loaded with B vitamins, selenium, zinc, and phosphorus. B vitamins help your body turn carbs, fats, and proteins into usable energy. So if you want to stay sharp and productive, turkey sandwich might just do the trick. Selenium, it bolsters the immune system. Zinc keeps your cells healthy and helps wounds heal faster. And phosphorus, well, let's just say it's fantastic for bone health. Ever feel like your brain's stuck in airplane mode? Turkey's nutrient profile, especially those B vitamins, can help clear up brain fog and keep you focused even on the most demanding days. Turkey has earned its spot as a modern-day favorite, but it might surprise you that it wasn't part of the first Thanksgiving feast in 1621. That meal featured venison, wildfowl, and an array of seafood, including cod and lobster. It also had a bounty of corn, beans, squash, and a variety of fruits, nuts, roots, and herbs, but no turkey. So, how did it become the centerpiece of tradition? Well, over the centuries, as Thanksgiving evolved into a national holiday, turkey, a bird native to North America, was both bountiful and practical for feeding large groups. It became the perfect symbol of abundance and festivity. But it's not just for Thanksgiving, though I wouldn't blame you for sneaking some extra during the holidays. Whether you're celebrating Thanksgiving or simply looking for a nutritious meal any time of the year, think of turkey. I wish you and your family a happy Thanksgiving. See you next time.